Would you like to learn the Ewe language so that you can speak with your brothers and sisters at home and abroad? Would you like your children to learn the Ewe language? Ewe Language Institute offers qualified instructors for your Ewe language learning needs. Call us at 941-210-2633 or email us at ewelanguageinstitute@gmail.com. We offer classes on Saturdays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Private lesson options are available. By the way, don't forget to grab the best and most exhaustive Ewe dictionary out there. It is available on Amazon. New Zealand's Ewe English Dictionary, Volume 2. Yayira Nami. Blessings to you.